Hello everyone. Did you know the result of this problem is 4 factorial? I think so. Some students are know about this, but some don't know how to solve this type of problem. So that some students makes the common mistake. He can solve this problem in a wrong way. Some students just solve this problem in this way. This is 25 minus 5 becomes here 20, and it is divided by 5. And so when students are divided by 20 by 5, it will be written as 20 over 5, and you will get here 5 fours are 20, and you get its answer is 4. But here in this question, I can write that the answer of this problem will be 4 factorial. Okay, so you see here this is exclamation mark, but this is denoted as, in mathematical context, we just denote it as factorial sign. Okay, so we write this into the factorial form, but here some students make this mistake because this is the wrong method or wrong solution of this problem. So here I can just tells us that the correct way to solve this problem. Here we just apply the board mass rule. So I think so everyone already know about this board mass rule. Okay, so here I can just write it in the column form, and I can just little bit explain about this board mass rule. So this B stands for brackets or parentheses. So you see in the given question, if you have some parentheses in this form, then you can just solve first these brackets. Okay, you can do the simplification within these brackets. This is the first step. Okay, if you see in the question these are brackets are involved, you can just solve this one. But here in our question we don't have any bracket, so we cannot solve this type. So after bracket we have O. This O means that of. So of is likewise, this is this of denotes the product. Okay, but here we cannot have this type of sign here. So now this D stands for the division. Okay, after that you solve this division. Okay, you just remember that this order of operation. Okay, you always follow this order of operation in order to get the correct answer of this type of problem. Okay, so after that this M stands for multiplication, and here this A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So you remember this order of operation. So you can if in this question, in your question, you see that if you have, you can first solve this bracket. After that in second way you can solve this off sign, and in third order you can solve this division, and in fourth operation you can solve this multiplication, and fifth you can solve addition, and in sixth operation you can solve the subtraction. Okay, so in our problem we have two operations. This is subtraction and division. So now you can check the order in this rule. So you see that in this order we can first solve the division. Okay, so that we can first solve this division, and after that we solve this subtraction. Okay, you check the order of your operations, then you can solve in this order. Okay, so after that I can just give you the correct way to solve the above problem. So first we solve this division operation. So we write it as 25 minus, here when you divide 5 divided by 5, we will get here a 1, and after that we just subtract this 25 minus 1, and we know that 25 minus 1 equals to 24. But here in our question I can write that the answer of this problem will be 4 factorial. So now here I can just little bit explain about the factorial sign. So here I can just a little bit explain about the factorial. Okay, so if you see here we have a 2 factorial. This 2 factorial means that you can multiply 2 with the downward all of the numbers. So you know that we have 2 and the downward the numbers of 2 are 1 only, so you multiply these two numbers and you get 2. Similarly, if you have 3 factorial, you multiply 3 and its down numbers, so you have 3, 2 and 1, and you multiply these numbers, so 3 2s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So if you have 4 factorial, we multiply 4 and downward all of these numbers, so you have 4 3 2 and 1. So you see that 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. And if you have 5 factorial, we write it as 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So 5 4s are 20, 23s are 23s are 60, 62s are 120. It means that the product of all of these numbers will become 120. So in this way you can solve the factorial sign. But here you see that our 4 factorial equals to 24. So it means that this 24 will be equals to 4 factorial. Okay, so this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.